In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the chart Featrure in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to turn your board data into clear visuals your team can act on. Start by opening Monday and heading to the home page so you can access all your work. From there, go to Workspaces and pick the workspace that holds the board you want to visualize. Open that board and make sure it has the columns and data you care about, like statuses, owners, priorities, or numeric fields such as hours or budget. Consistent, clean data will make your chart accurate and useful. At the top of the board, look for the plus icon to add a new view. Click it, then choose Chart. Monday will create a Chart View tab and load a default visualization based on your board. Now let's fine-tune it. Open the Charts menu by clicking the three dots in the corner of the chart view, then select Settings. This is where you configure what the chart shows and how it looks. Start with Chart Type. Pick the visualization that best matches your goal. Bars are great for comparing categories, lines are ideal for trends over time, and pies work for parts of a whole. If you're comparing subcategories, stacked options can be helpful. Next, set the x-axis. Choose the column you want to group by. Common choices are status, owner, priority, or a date field grouped by month or week. Then set the y-axis to define what you're measuring. You can count items, or if you have a numbers column, you can sum values like hours, costs, or story points. This pairing of X and Y determines the story your chart tells. Click Customize to polish the presentation. Adjust colors so they align with your team's conventions. Show or hide labels to improve readability and refine sorting so key categories appear first. Small tweaks here can make big differences in clarity. Add benchmark lines to put targets directly on the chart. Set a value and label like goal or threshold so it's easy to see where performance stands relative to expectations. Use groups to include or exclude board groups if your board is organized into sections such as pipelines, sprints, or teams. This helps you compare just the segments you need. Finally, choose which columns to show so the chart focuses on the most relevant data and stays uncluttered. Your changes save to the chart view automatically. You can always return to the three dots and settings to adjust as your data evolves. If something looks off, double-check column types and ensure numeric fields are truly numbers. That's it. Your chart is ready to share, discuss, and act on. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Monday.